Major milestones passed today in the fight against COVID-19, even as case numbers, hospitalizations, and deaths continue to surge here in Ohio and all across the nation. Two companies taking big steps toward what might be the end, at least the beginning of the end, of the pandemic.
That's right, and it is right on track with the state's plan to get those crucial vaccines here in the state by next week. NBC4's Eric Halpern has been following all of the vaccine-related news. You've been on top of this. Eric, tell us tonight about the latest with Pfizer and Moderna.
Carrie, an advisory committee is now recommending the FDA give emergency use authorization to the Pfizer vaccine. Meanwhile, Moderna is now testing its vaccine in the 12 to under 18 age group. A big day for COVID-19 vaccines in the United States.
It really is a historical point in this story with COVID-19.
After an all-day-long meeting, an independent advisory committee to the Food and Drug Administration voted 17-4, recommending emergency use authorization for Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine in those 16 and older.
If you think about this world war that we're in with the virus, once we get an FDA approved and a CDC recommended vaccine, we will have a major weapon in defeating COVID-19.
It's now up to the FDA to give the go-ahead on the emergency use authorization. The FDA's commissioner told the Today Show it intends to act quickly. Moderna is also taking steps forward with its vaccine. The company's been testing the vaccine on adults and Thursday announced it's also enrolling 3,000 12 to under 18-year-olds. Pfizer had already started studies in a younger group too.
This is exciting. I think it's what we need to do. And we suspected all the way that once we have this efficacy data in adults, that will be going.
Dr. Octavio Ramillo is director of infectious diseases at Nationwide Children's Hospital. Moderna's CEO says the goal is getting data from the adolescent study by the spring so it can support the age group getting the vaccine before next school year.
Number one, is exciting that they are committed to do the studies in the pediatric population, and it's the right thing to do. And I think it's the right time.
And a week from today, the same group that met, that same advisory committee, will be meeting again. That'll be for Moderna's vaccine in the 18 and up age group. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.